In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange notes in Google Keep. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change the order of your notes using the drag and drop method, and you'll understand what's currently possible across Android, iOS, and the web, as well as a few important limitations to keep in mind. Let's start with what works right now. The simplest and most reliable way to reorder your notes is to manually drag them in the main notes view. On Android and on the web, open Google Keep and make sure you're looking at your primary notes screen, not a filtered view. Find the note you want to move, press and hold it. On the web, click and hold. Then drag it up or down to the exact spot where you want it to live. When you're happy with the position, release to drop it there. That's it. This creates a custom order that you control, and it stays in place in your main notes list until you change it again. This manual drag and drop approach gives you complete flexibility, whether you want your most important note at the top or you're grouping related notes together. It's quick, visual, and doesn't require any menus or settings. If you try it and the note doesn't move where you expect, double-check that you're truly in the main notes view. Dragging is most consistent there, and may not behave the same way once you're filtering or searching. Now, here's what isn't possible yet, so you know what to expect. In filtered views, like when you've clicked into a specific label or you're looking at search results, you generally can't enforce a custom order. Notes in those views often stick to a default arrangement, and manual reordering may not apply or may not persist. Think of filtered views as temporary lenses over your notes, rather than places where your personal layout rules are saved. There's also no full Order by Date button on iOS or on the web at this time. Android has begun rolling out a new option to sort by date, but availability can vary depending on your app version and region. If you're on Android and you don't see it yet, it may arrive with a future update. In the meantime, the manual drag and drop method in the main notes view remains the most dependable way to curate your layout. To recap, open your main notes list, press and hold a note, drag it to your preferred position, and release to drop it there. If reordering seems inconsistent, make sure you're not in a label or a search view. Thanks for watching, and enjoy keeping your notes exactly where you want them.